Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to add Sezzle to Walmart Pay. Now, to use Sezzle at Walmart, you don't directly add Sezzle to Walmart Pay. Instead, you create a single use virtual card within the Sezzle app, and then you use that card as a payment at Walmart checkout. So this is a step-by-step guide, right? You download and sign up for the Sezzle app. You can go ahead and log in there. You find Walmart in this Sezzle app, and you just initiate a purchase request. So you want to click on Pay with Sezzle to create a new purchase request. And then you can go ahead and generate a single use virtual card, right? You just enter your purchase amount and create a single use virtual card. And then you can use this at Walmart checkout. You just enter the virtual card details at the Walmart checkout, and your purchase will automatically split into 4 interest-free payments over 6 weeks. Okay, and what you can also do is you can use a multi-use cards. You can go ahead and create those as well if you would like to do so. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.